Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the serene hills of Japan, there lived a wise old man named Hiroshi. He was known far and wide for his wisdom and the respect he garnered from everyone in the village. People often sought his advice on how to earn the respect of others. One day, a young villager named Takeshi approached Hiroshi and asked, "Sensei, how can I gain the respect of everyone in our village and beyond?" Hiroshi smiled and invited Takeshi to sit under the shade of a cherry blossom tree. He then shared a Zen story that contained the 5 best ways to earn respect from everyone. 1. Be present. Hiroshi began. Takeshi, the first step to earn respect is to be fully present in the moment. When you interact with others, give them your undivided attention. Listen to them with an open heart and mind. This simple act of being present shows that you value their presence and their words. 2. Show kindness and compassion. Hiroshi continued, "Respect is born from kindness and compassion. Treat every living being with empathy and respect their feelings. Offer help without expecting anything in return, and let your actions be guided by love and understanding." 3. Practice humility. Hiroshi pointed to the bamboo growing nearby and said, "Just as the tallest bamboo sways in the wind, it's essential to remain humble. Acknowledge your flaws and learn from your mistakes. Humility is a virtue that draws people closer as they see you as someone they can relate to." 4. Lead with integrity. Integrity is the cornerstone of respect. Hiroshi emphasized, "Always act with honesty and uphold your principles. Your words and actions should align. When people see your unwavering commitment to your values, they will respect you for your unwavering integrity." 5. Serve others selflessly. Lastly, Hiroshi concluded, the path to universal respect is paved with selfless service. Help others without any expectation of rewards. When you serve others sincerely, your actions become a beacon of light, and people will naturally admire and respect you. Takeshi listened intently to Hiroshi's wisdom and nodded in understanding. He made it his mission to embody these principles in his daily life. Over time, Takeshi's reputation grew, and he too earned the respect and admiration of everyone in the village. The story of Takeshi and Hiroshi's teachings spread far and wide, becoming a timeless parable for those seeking to earn respect from everyone. The wisdom of the old man and the young villager served as a guiding light for generations, reminding people that true respect comes from the heart, born of presence, kindness, humility, integrity, and selfless service.